world's agricultural system is standing on the verge of a major turning point. With the continuous growth of the Earth's population and the increased need for food production, the agricultural system is one of the biggest contributors to environmental problems. That is why we need to find a more sustainable way of producing our food.
In my project, which is called Bright Spots of Sustainable Agriculture, we want to look for and learn from locations around the world that are performing well, that produce healthy food, while at the same time protecting their environment. We believe that many solutions to more sustainable agriculture are already out there. So we want to go there, identify them, and then learn from them. How do they produce this food? Who is producing the food? How are they paid? What type of food are they producing? How are they getting it to the consumer? All of these questions, we want to learn from these existing bright spots.
Dr. Seufert is a geographer and ecologist interested in all things concerning food and nature.
I love food. I think my love for food is actually one of the reasons why I decided to study these topics and to get into this research, because I love food, I love preparing food, I love growing food. I grew up on a small farm. Food is really what connects us with the environment, because we need the soil, we need the air, we need animals, we need plants to produce our food. So it is really our most direct interaction with nature. The goal of my junior professorship is to generate knowledge about what sustainable agriculture looks like, but also, very importantly, to generate knowledge that is directly relevant to the people. So to the farmers, to the policymakers, but also to consumers. So we want to closely work together with people in generating this knowledge.
Dr. Seufert will look for these bright spots in 4 different regions. 2 of them in India and 2 of them in Mexico. Each region has its own characteristics, from small-scale coffee farms to large-scale breadbasket areas. The people involved locally will be asked what sustainable agriculture means to them.
But sustainable agriculture also needs to be globally sustainable. And so we will also combine this local definition of sustainable agriculture with an assessment of whether these local sustainable bright spots are also globally sustainable in terms of their impact on climate change or their impact on biodiversity loss. So we will also look at these global interactions. Finding sustainable ways of producing food that will allow us to produce food for everyone into the future, into a long-term future. That is one of the most important jobs of society. My name is Verena Seufert and I will hold the Robert Bosch Junior Professorship 2021.